or not? Gonna do it. God, you've used up half my battery. Let's sit here. Man of the hour. That's what you always do. If you anticipate it too much, it won't happen. Oh yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it to wreck my battery. That was good. I'm gonna wait in case you do another one.
Oh.
Like your dad. That's horrible. Nobody sneezes like that. This is going on YouTube for sure. Probably get like 2 views for once. I'll go viral. You're going viral. I'm gonna see you viral. It's the way it continues on, you know, it goes,
Oh.
I'm staying for a while. That was good. That was worth waiting for.
Oh.
This better be recording, all right. It'll be very low light, but that doesn't matter. It's the sound we're interested in. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do another one. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Now I've heard you sneeze a lot, and it's loud, but it's never sounded like that.
Oh.
Good thing you're not out in public somewhere you'd scare little children.
It doesn't seem to bother the cat. He's right there.
Oh,
I
really?
sneeze like
Yeah.
that. He does not even move.
Mm-hmm. Just certain sounds, like vacuum cleaners and that, he doesn't like.
It did not seem to bother him. Huh.
Well, you've done 3. Are you done? Looks like you finished for now. Let me know if you have any more.